Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to add music on Facebook profile. First of all, open up the Facebook app. Once you get into your Facebook account, tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner. Then click on your profile from here. After that, tap on the Edit Public Details option. You can see the music option isn't available here. Now get back to the menu and tap on Report a Problem. Then click on Continue to Report. After that, tap on Include in Report. Now choose the feature you're reporting for. Then select the other option and describe your problem in detail. Type in Please Facebook add music option in my Facebook account and then click to submit your report. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.